Hi guys, welcome back. And right now we're in bus. This is my friend Krutik. Just leave it, guys. Just leave him. So right now, I think you can see. Right now we're making adjustments in the bus, so it's still taking time. Let's see what happens. So guys, just now we have started in the bus. It's Casey, Krutik, Ashish. Say hi. So right now we're in a bus. We're so excited. Let's go, baby. It's so full of fun. What do you say? See, even he's gone mad. See this? What is this, guys? So right now we have visited the Jain temple in Kolan Park. How's that? How's the temple?
Awesome, it is superb. You know, they had many archaeological structures, and the Jain style was completely different from the Indian, the Hindu style of temples. Yeah, it was really nice.
So Ashish has just given a lecture, so just leave it. We'll edit that.
Just leave it. Just leave it.
Shit. What about you?
So, the Jain temple is all about peace. That's the only thing that I want to say.
That shit will be cropped out, man. Please don't care, okay? So right now we'll start in 5 to 10 minutes and then let's see where we'll go. Yeah, by the way, I forgot to tell this. We couldn't record in the temple, but the phones are not allowed in the temple. But the temple was so good, actually. You have to see that. So guys, right now we're at the Hatta Hotel in Warangal.
And I am Ignite Gaming, subscribe me.
You can see. Right now, he's Pratyush. And so damn rush here. And see this. So damn rush. So let's see what happens. We have to eat the lunch and then let's see what happens. Guys, right now we are in the lounge area. And just now we had our lunch. How's that?
भाई पेट भर गया पूरा.
So
गले तक भर लिया.
we had
जो भी था वो सब यहाँ तक भर लिया है और कुछ नहीं बाकी में रखा है.
So just we had a couple of puris and jeera rice, rice, sambar, and that's it. Oh, so now after staying for 5 to 10 minutes, we will move on to our next area. I don't know which one is it. So let's see what happens. Ashish, how was the food?
Really nice, sir. Not in the mood of recording a video, but
He's just being an introvert. What about you, Harsha?
It was an experience, but most of it was traveling.
Yeah, that's for sure. But we'll rest at night. What do you about that?
Too much environment. I don't think anybody's going to sleep.
Yeah, that's for sure. That's a fact. Everyone will be playing, something or the other games. And wait, let me show my friend GV. Hey, GV. He's GV Advait. Hey, he's one of my friends and he sits near me in the class. Kind of good friend. And what else is there to show you? Let's see what happens. So right now I'm with Akash. And we're in front of the Harita building. We had our lunch and in 10 to 15 minutes we'll go to see any other places. And we have a cream stone back here. This is very important in the excursion. Let's see. We're still in the Harita hotel. Just we got a room in 3rd floor. 307. Yeah, 307. So let's see how's the room. Bro, we just climbed the stairs. So sucks. And let's see. Oh. Yes, bro. You got to see this. Everyone is right here. Let's see the bathroom. Everyone is right here. Even the head boy is right here. Everyone is here right now. Ramnath Krishna, Lucy, Karthik Kumar. Hey bro! Hey guys! Shanmukh, Rekha, He's my friend Ajit. He has a YouTube channel.
Subscribe me and subscribe him. Like the video.
What's your channel name first of all?
Fragnet Gaming 2175.
Okay, just go and subscribe to that channel. Just start a channel, so you have to help it, guys. So we are right now in Creamstone. So we brought some couple of ice creams. This is muskmelon.
नहीं दिख रहा.
Muskmelon, Willy Wonka, and I brought the red velvet. I know it tastes good. Let me see this. Awesome. Whenever you come to Creamstone, try this. Nice. So what's up, guys? We are back in the bus and we are moving to Thousand Pillar Temple. So just now we left the Harita Hotel. So stay tuned. So guys, right now we're near the Thousand Pillars Temple. I don't know, it might be 1000 pillars or 2000 pillars. So let's see what happens. Peace out. So guys, we visited the 1000 pillar temple. It's so nice, and the temple, I just want to count there are 1000 pillars, but it's nearly impossible. So the tourist guide said as a whole story. Before there used to be 3 temples, and 2 of them were destroyed by the Mughals, and they just left the one temple, which is the Shiva ones. Shiva there? Yeah, the Shiva ones. So let's see. I want to count this 1000 pillars. But is it possible?
I don't think so.
That's what I think. So I don't know, we might stay here for 2 to 3 minutes and we might move out. So actually there's no photography and video allowed in the temple, so we couldn't record it everything. And wait, let me show you the environment again. guys, we are leaving a 1,000 pillars temple. I don't know where we are gonna go next. Stay tuned. So hi guys, right now we are near the Warangal Fort.
पहुंच गए हैं
हाँ पहुंच गए हैं.
पहुंच गए हैं
And the scenery is so damn awesome.
दिखा दे
Serious, so awesome, right? Make sure you like the video for this reason, of course. Okay.
like share and subscribe
And see, this is the Warangal Fort. Wait, let me show you. Yeah. Guys, this is not the exact actual fort. I'll show you in a couple of minutes. But remember, this is not the exact fort, okay? We are somewhere near that another place which I showed, and the nature is so damn cool here right now.
damn is a bad word
Hat. See, there's some building right over back, and see the nature, bro. It's so nice. Can't explain in words.
पूरा डेजर्ट
we covered that area, which you can see that. Yeah, you can see that. We covered that area. I don't know where we are going.
Then why you're telling?
But the one thing I know for sure is the environment and the nature is so damn awesome.
It sucks.
Guys, right now we are in an area which I don't know the name, but it's so awesome. You can see in the background, right? Yeah, that's the gate. 1, 2, 3, and wait. 4. Yeah, 4 is that side actually. So there are 4 Warangal gates, replicas actually. Man, but the structures and all are so nice. You have to come and visit here. There's only one of a kind experience.
This vlog sucks.
And my friend Kritik, and he's a good, nice friend, of course. He's been friend to me from 6th class, and no, he's a pretty nice guy. We never even had a quarrel between us, and it's so nice to have a friend like him. See, like him. Hey, Akshay! Akshay, hey, shit!
Which girl are you running behind?
Gera. So guys, I'm right now in the room. As you see, the room is so nice, really. Wait, let me show you from the beginning. So this is a door, and of course a wardrobe, and my friend Ashish is taking a bath inside. We got a cool refrigerator here, and couple of just a table, a TV, a couple of sofas, and by the way, guys, see this. What the heck? See the food. See the food. I think you can see, right? This is the food we brought from. It's me. The food was brought to me, Akash. No, not Akash. Casey, Kritik, and Ashish. See, this is the food you can see, right? That's the food we brought. And yeah, this is the bed. Just don't mind that. Okay. The bed is so right now, damn comfy. It was like when you sleep in it, it will be like in heaven. Just give me a minute. Yeah, by the way, I couldn't record the evening part actually. So what happened actually, we visited a temple, and as usual, we couldn't record in the temple. And we went to Warangal Fort, the second thing. I couldn't take the video there also, but I took many photos and videos with my friends. I'll upload it in the last of the video. Make sure to see that. So sorry guys for not uploading the Warangal Fort and the temple. Guys, please apologize to me, please. Okay. So let's see. My friends just went to Creamstone down there. Let me show you. That's a Creamstone. You saw, right? So that's a Creamstone, and just we brought a couple of ice creams. Too costly. Mind that. And just now they brought that we have mini cooler which we can store. And in the today, but see, our guys are not going to sleep today. We have a whole lot of plans. We can play games. I have movies and the series. We have Uno cards. We have a TV. And we have speakers. Yeah, speakers. So damn excited already. Hey Ashish, jaldi kar.
Sorry to enter, but still. Yeah.
Casey. Kritik. That's the ice cream. Bonus point. So okay guys. So hi guys, good morning. It's our day 2. Let's go.
Day 2 ही last day है.
Date 2.
So today's day 2 and actually we couldn't record the whole video yesterday night. And there was a kind of little kind of problem.
रात गई बात गई यारो, भूल जाओ.
Chal. Yeah. So there's an ice cream cream store.
Stand हो गया था.
There's cream store back there and we have brought some ice creams yesterday. It's very nice. As I told you.
And don't forget about the
Like,
night
share,
dance.
subscribe.
And we danced
Like,
a bit.
share, subscribe.
Not a bit, but everything. A lot. And let's see. And right now we are going to Lucknowaram. Huh?
हाँ लखनऊरम.
I think we'll go to Lucknowaram.
लखनऊरम महाकाली टेम्पल.
Lucknowaram Mahakali Temple. So damn excited. I couldn't record the yesterday's part, so sorry about that. And peace out. So guys, just we did some rock climbing. The top of the rocks. In the background you can see, right?
Show them the scenery.
So tired. I'll keep the pics. You just refer them. And the view is so nice. Got to come to see that. Alright.
Like, share and subscribe.